Hello, before our physical glow up begins, we gotta complete our spiritual glow up. I already did my morning stretching followed by a nice breakfast and then also an evening workout, and now we're gonna change our sheets and we're gonna sleep in fresh sheets. So I'm excited about that. Guys, I can't be the only one who thinks changing our bed sheets and sleeping in nice, clean, fresh sheets is one of the truest forms of self-care ever. Oh, love it so much.
Oh my god, I saw Chintu. You named him Arvind. क्या है?
Birthday vlog.
वो लाइट है.
Happy birthday me. अभी हमको वो वाला गाना करना चाहिए.
वो वाला.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So it's my birthday today. It's like 2:30 AM right now. And इससे पहले मैंने explain नहीं किया था कि हो क्या रहा है. So basically, I'm gonna do a few things to glow up for my birthday because like I've been pretty ratchet for the past few days. It's time to get rid of my mooch and my eyebrows. So I do my eyebrows and my upper lips at home using a pair of tweezers, and usually I use a flashlight or I use natural light. But now we have a ring light, so I'm gonna be using that to do this. So I basically sanitize the area because we don't want to break out with our exposed pores. I also sanitize the tweezers. I just pluck out whatever stray hairs जो भी यहाँ पे होते हैं and some from the top. This is really hard to do on camera, so I'll be right back. I feel like I'm excessively close to you guys as well, so BRB. I'm now done. They look a little skinny right now, but I'm gonna fill them up tomorrow when I do my makeup and you'll see that it looks good. Oh, it burns. But just to ensure that I don't break out.
Good morning, guys. Important part है glow up का. In addition to the physical glow up, obviously that's gonna happen. We gotta look like a bad bitch by the end of it. But उसके साथ साथ spiritual and mental glow up भी ज़रूरी है. And mental glow up का important essential part है, especially for me, working out and doing some exercise throughout my days. So we're gonna start our morning with a beautiful stretching session.
These are all the clothes I think from my last video. सारे मेरे outfits यहीं पड़े हैं. That's a lot of clothes, dude. That's just not one.
Okay, अब हमारा रूम हो गया है साफ, but vibe set करने के लिए it was very sweet of my mom's friend. She found out कि मेरा birthday है, so she got me this dispenser, like an essential oils and stuff you put in this. Oh, this is so pretty. I already have one of these. Now we have one more. This Reduce Fatigue Nawab Mogra Essential Oil. ये हमारी टी लाइट है, इसको हम जला लेते हैं. Ooh, yes, smells really nice in here. अब हो गया है हमारा वाइब सेट, तो अब हम करेंगे हमारा स्पा. So I really want to give myself a little pedicure, at home pedicure.
इनको बाहर से दिख रहा है कुछ हिलता हुआ. Hello, Billies.
Okay, so the internet has made a weird deal about feet. I don't know what it is, but I'm just getting rid of all the dead skin there is. I have really ugly feet, so even if you do have a foot fetish, it's just gonna go away. So you're welcome. Why is the internet so weird? Like तुम्हारे DMs में कभी आते हैं ऐसे? I've never got. एक स्लीपर्स क्लीन वाला आया था. I will.
Bro, मुझे स्लीपर्स वाला आता है, मेरा मुझे फीट पिक्स वाला आता है ना.
Really?
भाई.
Maybe you give up that vibe.
क्या?
अब हम बना रहे हैं एक फेस पैक.
तो इसमें हम डालेंगे आई बॉल मेजरमेंट्स के हिसाब से थोड़ा सा बेसन. ओके, दैट्स आई थिंक इनफ बेसन. हल्दी हम बहुत ही थोड़ा सा डालेंगे क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम आई टर्न्ड अ लिटिल येलो. मॉइस्चराइजिंग एंड इट आल्सो किल्स बैक्टीरिया. व्हाट इज बेसन गुड फॉर? एक्सफोलिएशन. ये तो सब पता है.
बहुत सारा बेसन डाल दिया ब्रो तुमने।
मेरे को हाथ पे भी लगाना है ना।
शादी होने वाली है, प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो तुम।
वत्सी
अब तो उम्र आ गई। मेरी शादी नहीं हो रही गाइस। अच्छा हम थोड़ा विटामिन ई डाल सकते हैं ना।
हाँ
और लास्ट इंग्रेडिएंट है थोड़ी सी दही। दही एड्स मॉइस्चर, सो मोमो सेइंग बेसन स्किन को ड्राई कर देता है। एंड लेटली आई एम ऑल अबाउट द हाइड्रेशन, सो हेलो मिस पायरेट। आई थिंक दैट्स इनफ। अब इसको मिक्स करके देखते हैं इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी क्या है। कूल, आई थिंक वी डन विद।
डू लाइक अ ग्लूप टेस्ट।
ग्लूप टेस्ट, नाइस ग्लूप।
I'm just out here waiting for this to dry. काफ़ी थिक है तो इसको ड्राई होने में थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, but I'm enjoying the sun. It's relaxing. ऐसे ठंडा ठंडा लग रहा है और ऐसे हवा चल रही है. Now that this is pretty much dry, I'm just gonna wash it off and I'm gonna wet it a little bit and then I'm gonna gently scrub my skin. It also acts like a really good scrub. So let's do that and I'll be right back. Okay, now that this has been washed, I'm just gonna take a little bit of coconut oil. Now I know like putting coconut oil on your face is a nightmare according to a lot of people, but I've been using it on my face for like almost over a year now and it really helps out my skin and makes it really nicely moisturized without breaking me out. Of course, if you have oily skin and coconut oil does not suit you, then definitely don't use it on your face. Because it is comedogenic, which means it does break you out, but I haven't faced that issue at all. I really like to massage my skin to really get the blood circulation going. Oh, I feel so refreshed and so nice and clean right now. I love it. Also bring it down to your neck because we don't want wrinkles on our neck as well. मेरा favorite begun bhaja, fried begun. What do you think about that?
About what?
Fried begun. I love it. ये सब मेरे लिए है. And then there is dal and there's prawns. So for hair, I'm not really doing much. I don't usually oil my hair because I get a lot of hair fall whenever I do. I have an oily scalp and I feel like this is my magic potion. I use apple cider vinegar to just detoxify my scalp almost, if that makes sense. So I dilute it a little bit with water and then I just directly rub it around on my scalp and then I wash it with shampoo as normal and my hair feels so soft later. I've heard that it does dry out your hair, so I don't put it in the strands, I just put it on the scalp. It says 5 parts water to 1 part vinegar. Just take it on a piece of cotton and apply it to the scalp. Apple cider vinegar is... Just a lot of notifications at once, but apple cider vinegar is in. I'm just gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes and then wash it off with normal shampoo. I also need to exfoliate and shave, so let's do that and I'll be right back. Oh hi, what's up? I'm back. I was so late at this point that I did not have time to film the whole makeup process properly, but here's a quick sped up version basically for the sake of this glow up. So go ahead, enjoy me catfishing the entire world.
But when I tell people 6, I assume they're gonna come by 6:30.
शर्म आ रही थी माय गॉड
क्योंकि मैं लेट हूँ and I'm still filming it. Sorry यार, ये जब आई ना यहाँ पे ये बड़ा सा लाइट था, कैमरा था and मैं से आधी एक आँख में eyeliner लगा के.
I also did some shimmer.
And I also had some shimmer because I have birthday. पता है मैं थक गई हूँ अभी तक, मैं सुबह से सोई नहीं.
ये इतनी excited थी ये
क्योंकि मैं सो नहीं पा रही, काम नहीं कर पा रही, तू अपना काम में बिजी है.
भाई ये क्या था? This was so big.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
भाई ने आग लगा रखी है.
A very successful party. Got tired of? Oh. So that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and all of that good stuff. If you did, you know the drill. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.